Hi, this is Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch. Welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you, it would be day 8 of the hashtag Strawberry Bliss, hosted by our fun friend Polly at Polly's Pretties Coloring and Crafting. You'd think after all this time I could get that right. So the prompts for this day was yellow and sequins. So this was the page that I made. I had watched previously a video from Enchanted Dreams 71, and she made this cool pocket fold with an 8.5 by 11. So I went ahead and tried that, and I'm going to link her channel below so that if you're interested in going over and seeing how it's made, it's very simple and ends up with all these pockets, so it's pretty fun. But that's where I've got my yellow, and let's just take a look at all these pockets. We've got this one that just goes right in here, and I put some fun little things on the outside so that we would know it was a pocket. I have a little yellow rose there, and then you have another pocket right here, so lots of journaling space. And then you have another pocket. This one's pretty fun, hiding at the top here. Oh gosh, you can't really see that. There we go. And that just slides in and out. So I had a lot of fun following her tutorial and making that the other day. And then I embellished it with just a little bit of things I have in my craft drawer, basket, just kind of everywhere. This was a cute little heart. It's got a beautiful die cut here. I didn't die cut it, it came that way, but it has the yellow in it, so that's why I chose that. And then the sequins are these red sequins, and I put some jewels in the middle of a couple of them, but not all of them. And then I got out my strawberry stamp and a cute little piece from the strawberry cut and collage book. So I was really happy with the way this all came out. And then I went ahead and inked it up with Vintage Photo. It's coming out a little grungy, which is okay. I just wanted it to have that woodland feel as we go through the journal with strawberries and bears. So there aren't any bears on this page, but that's okay. We have our strawberries represented here and there. And I am still behind, but I'm having so much fun creating these pages that I will continue. And I want to thank Polly for hosting. She just comes up with some fun open collabs. So I want to thank her for keeping us all creative and thinking of new ways to use these fun prompts. And there's still plenty of time to join in, and it's 2 prompts for every day, and it's just really fun. It keeps you very creative, looking through all your stash saying, okay, where's my sequins, where's my yellow? And I did have to go hunt for some yellow because I had kind of stayed in the neutrals and greens and some of the red, of course, for the strawberries, but I was able to find some yellow things, so very fun. All right, friends, thank you so much for coming by and checking out my newest page for Strawberry Bliss. I always appreciate your time. If you like this page, if you wouldn't mind giving me a like and leaving me a comment. And like I said, I will be also, besides Polly's channel, I'll be linking Enchanted Dreams 71 and it's a really recent video, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. I think it's only like 2 or 3 back from her postings. Okay, have a wonderful day, and I will see you very, very soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.